Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to jumpstart Dodge Durango only way. Park both vehicles close with engines off, parking brakes set, and lights off. Open hoods and locate batteries, identify positive plus and negative minus terminals. Use heavy gauge jumper cables and connect red to positive on both batteries, then black to donor negative and vehicle chassis ground. Start donor, wait 2 minutes, then start Durango and remove cables in reverse order. In this video, I will help how to jumpstart Dodge Durango only way. Start by connecting the red clamp to the Durango positive plus terminal, then the donor positive plus. Attach the black clamp to the donor negative minus terminal and attach the final black clamp to an unpainted metal chassis ground on the Durango away from the battery. This reduces spark risk and protects electronics while giving reliable starting power to the vehicle. In this video, I will review how to jumpstart Dodge Durango only way. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort that outlasts long road trips and cold roadside waits. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical tips. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart Dodge Durango only way. If the Durango fails to start, double-check all clamps are tight and terminals are clean, and let the donor run for several minutes to build charge. Avoid touching clamps together, and never connect a clamp to a fuel line or moving part. If repeated attempts fail, stop and call for professional help to avoid damage or injury to you or the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.